What's good, YouTube? It's Sunday. It's Funday, and you see who I'm outside with. You see who I'm outside with. Alright, so we about to stop at the gas station real quick. I gotta get gas, they gotta get gas, and then we're gonna go to the spot where everybody link up at on Sundays to do their little fun runs and all of that shit. So y'all be there the whole time, but for now, we're gonna get gas. At the gas station. How much? Damn, $61. It's crazy. Gas boys. What you doing over here?
Trying to get some fucking air.
You gotta put air in your tire?
Yeah.
What? The back tire?
Both of them.
He trying to drag race.
No.
He trying to race today. Oh, they got air over there too? That's tough. Yo. You a bitch.
We outside. We was waiting.
Waiting for what? Alright, well, we gonna finish this little Wawa shit and then we going to the spot. See y'all over there. Alright, so speed racers over here wanted to leave me and shit.
I try to wait for you. These niggas
wait my ass. We didn't even get to the spot yet. They just left. That's why you don't drive with motorcycle niggas.
You should have hopped on the shoulder.
Yeah, hop on the shoulder. There was no space.
Why that shit sound aggressive first?
Niggas just left me.
Why it sound more aggressive?
And he full suited like he about to go whoop somebody's ass. Look at him.
Smell it?
Stiff as hell.
I just heard it. That shit vibrated.
Well, it's another pit stop. And then we're gonna go to the spot. probably gonna pop a wheelie. Let's see. Yep, there it is. See the function. See what the fuck going on. What the fuck going on? Yeah. Niggas got the toys out.
Oh, yo.
That shit sound good. That shit. I hope they not about to run it.
The whole 9, you're good.
The Jeep and the Lexus. Nah. They was really running it.
You gonna flip that shit. That shit gonna be
What the fuck? What? got fucking tires on my car. Well, it's the next day. As y'all can see, that's why it's so dark out. I just got out of work and I forgot to make the outro for yesterday's video, but I just wanted to say I'm sorry for those camera angles and everything. It's hard as hell to record your boys on bikes when they're all swerving and going fast as hell, and you in the stance car and you gotta swerve potholes and everything. So you gotta pay attention to where you're driving, and you gotta pay attention to your boys so you don't hit them, whatever. But anyways, I know the camera angles weren't the best, but I'm working with what I got. And so yeah, I hope y'all liked today's YouTube video. There's definitely gonna be more motorcycle videos on the way when the weather gets nicer though, because we're in the middle of winter right now, so it's a little cold. But like towards spring and the summer, I'm definitely gonna be recording more motorcycle videos, since you guys liked the last one. You guys went crazy on that one. So stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all following my channel and keep that bell on so y'all could get the notification when those videos come out. I'm learning as I go, so the videos can only get better, hopefully not worse. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed today's YouTube video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all been going crazy. I think I'm at like 220 something subscribers, something like that. So it may not be a lot for y'all, but it's a lot for me, as YouTube is pretty hard to grow on. So I'm just trying to stay consistent. I'm gonna keep pushing out videos, more vlogs, more car stuff, more motorcycle stuff. I got a lot of stuff for the car sitting in the room right now. I got wrap, I got splitters, I got a bunch of stuff. We're gonna do installs, everything. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like I said, keep that bell on, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
You a liar, bad little bitch named Whitney, fire. Still got a shit, never expire. Ready, set, go, fire.